Hello and welcome to the new episode with me, Jyotsna. Today I'm going to make Vangi Bath recipe, a very simple that you can make for a very quick lunch. This is something that you can find across different households at any given point, made in many different ways, and we are making one of those classic home style. I'm gonna walk you through the recipe. Let's dive into it. First, we'll make fresh Vangi Bath spice mix powder. Moving on to the ingredients, adding little oil in a pan. We have 10 to 12 chilies here, so got to make sure that you constantly moving this. Turn the heat to medium, toast the chilies nicely. If the chilies darken, you lose the color, which is so important to the Vangi Bath spice mix powder. It's time to roast rest of the spices. I'm adding the ingredients in stages so nothing burns. Starting with 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, followed by 1/4 spoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 spoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Roast them well. As they are being roasted, now adding 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, finally now adding 1 tablespoon of dry coconut and 7 to 8 garlic pods. Adding last because these are the most delicate and can brown very easily. Once everything cools down, grind it into a fine powder. This spice mix will give the Vangi Bath its unique flavor. Well, this spice mix powder is not just for Vangi Bath. You can use it with any vegetables you have in the fridge. It adds beautiful flavor to almost any quick stir fry or rice mix. Now in the same pan, taking 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. It's not too much that it leaves you guilty having enjoyed a portion. Adding a bunch of spices, starting by adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of peanuts, also adding a few cashews. Fry until golden. Now adding in green chilies and curry leaves. You can see all the ingredients are nicely toasted with a nutty goodness. And now adding in the main ingredient, sliced brinjals. Adding in turmeric and a touch of salt. Saute on medium flame. Allow this to cook. This step is important since the flavor of Vangi Bath comes from balanced cooked brinjals. Well, you don't want it to be cooked down to a mash. You want to feel that the vegetable is still alive. You want to taste the texture of the vegetable. Brinjals are now nicely cooked. Now adding Vangi Bath powder which we have made earlier. Mix it well so the brinjals get coated with the powder. Now adding tamarind puree taken out of a small lemon-sized tamarind. Mixture should be thick and well combined. Cook this for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell goes away. Now lower the flame and slowly add the cooked rice. Mix it gently without breaking the grains. I'm using basmati rice here. You can use pretty much any kind of rice. You can make it with stale rice like leftover rice. When the rice is stale, the grains are firm and dry. At this stage, check for salt and adjust if needed. Let the rice cook on low flame for 2 minutes so the flavors blend beautifully. Finally, sprinkle a little coriander leaves, and also you can add Vangi Bath powder if you want a strong flavor. Now it's done. With this off goes the flame. And keep it covered for 5 minutes before serving. This resting time makes the rice taste even better. Now perfectly spiced Vangi Bath is done and ready to serve. You can enjoy it with raita, curd or papad. Hope you enjoyed this episode and stay connected for more such recipes and wait for what next the original taste gets into your kitchen. Till then, happy eating. Thank you.